The story of a bhakri. Student, you know that at the end of the summer, fields are made ready for farming task. So, which are the farming tasks are carried out before the rainy seasons? You all know at your home also the farming task carried out before the rainy season. So, there are different tasks that are carried out before the rainy season. So, first we have plow the field, then crush the lumps of soil, finally level the field to make ready for sowing. So, student, first task is the field is plowed. So, student, plowing is the very important. Without plowing, farmer cannot sow seeds in the field. It makes the soil, what are the advantages of plowing? It makes the soil airy. And what happens in the plowing? The upper soil goes downside and the downside soil comes upside. So, student, it makes soil airy, and airy soil can hold more amount of water. So the first of all, the farmers plow the field properly, and for that the farmer use either puller cart or tractors. So, student, you have one picture given here. See carefully the picture in your textbook. In this picture, the farmer plow his field by using tractor. Also, we can use bullock cart also for plowing the field. Now, the second point is crush the lumps of soil. Crush the lumps of soil means lumps of soil are crushed. So, student, lumps of soil are crushed means what are the lumps that present in the field that are crushed or broken, and then field is leveled. Then the field is leveled so that rainwater can spread in all the parts of the field very properly. In this way, field is ready for sowing. In this way, this field is finally ready for sowing. So, farmer keeps their field ready for sowing, and for that they wait for the monsoon shower. Monsoon shower means the pre-monsoon shower would make the hot soil humid, and that was the time father would sow bajra. So, what is mean by pre-monsoon shower? Pre-monsoon shower is a very important. This pre-monsoon shower is very important for the farmer because it makes the hot soil humid or wet. As we know that in dry soil seed cannot be germinate, so soil need to be humid or wet. So, student, for that farmer wait for the pre-monsoon shower. Farmers sowing seeds in the soil, and within few days the seed sprouts and seedlings are seen above the ground. So, student, after the sowing process completed, the seed sprouts and the seedlings are shown on the above the ground. So, here also one picture given. See this picture carefully. This is the picture of seedling growing in the field. You can able to see this picture. Here is the picture of seedling. So student, seedling means the young plant that are grown from the seed. Seedling means what? It is the young plant and that are grown on the field. So student, within some days the bajra seeds sprout and the seedlings are seen above the ground. Along with the bajra, weeds also flourish, but they have to be removed and they employ laborers to do that. The laborers have to be paid. So student, along with the seeds, some weeds also grew up. So what are weeds? What are some weeds? Are some unnecessary plants, or it is also called as grass. Also we can say, so these unnecessary plants need to remove from the plants or from the field. Why? Because whatever the nutrients and water that present in the soil, that can be absorbed by these weeds. So that the reason farmer remove these weeds from their field, so that the main plants can get sufficient amount of nutrients. Some laborers for to remove these weeds, the farmer employed some laborers. So student, you understand up to here. Now in next video we see how does the crops get ready. Okay, now in next lecture we will see how does the crops get ready. So student, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.